Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. Let's see. 5, SPX, boom, boast. Cool. How's everybody's long, 4-day weekend? Hopefully it was good. Hopefully you guys are ready to print. Good morning. All right. Give everybody a couple more minutes and then we'll hop into it. Let me see what we got going on for the economic calendar. New home sales, great. Not much. GDP on Wednesday. Consumer confidence tomorrow. A lot of Fed speakers tomorrow. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Technically 4, but the one guy speaks twice. So 5 different Feds, I guess, announcements tomorrow. Beige Book Wednesday, PCE on Thursday. Some Fed speakers Friday. Powell speaks on Friday at 11. Cool. Alrighty. Let's do this. Also, so I got this is a new screen right here. I don't know if it looks any different on your guys' end, but it looks super different on my end. Like, this thing is crystal clear. And the colors they're popping. That's my new favorite monitor that I got. So I don't know if it looks different for you guys, but let me tell you, over here, it looks amazing. So, yeah, let's just hop into it. If you guys are in Team Bull, we did our weekly analysis on SPY and QQQ yesterday. And then we also went over the top stocks that I'm going to be watching. So let's see if we can find any setups today. Again, we're still trading in a... Looks crispy. Does it look like different than the past live streams? Like, does it look better? It's an ASUS. Where's the box? I think I threw the box away. I'll have to look at the receipt, but it's like one of the higher end. How do you pronounce it? Asus? Whatever. But yeah, crystal clear. But alrighty, as far as ES, again, we're still in a really weird spot. Really the only area that I liked for a bounce was that 4-hour 21, and then we also discussed potentially, but I had a feeling we were going to hit it, was that 45.53. Aces, is that how you pronounce it? I have no idea. I'm not a computer guy. I just buy it. But really, when it comes to ES, I don't see any good fibs. I mean, the only next possible level I'd be interested in a bounce is going to be all the way down here and then maybe 4,500. But I'm not super in love with anything on ES. I mean, I guess we got demand there. 4-hour demand right there. So, I mean, maybe if we got down there, I'd be interested, but that's really it till we start getting lower. So, I mean, we'll just mark this area so we know about it. But it's only levels I'm interested in for a bounce. 45.34, 45, hold on. 45, 23.25, 45.34. Awesome. How was everybody's Thanksgiving? Anybody go Black Friday shopping? You guys get anything cool? There we go. Hey, it was a great weekend. No complaints. 45.80, 4,600, and then, I mean, 52-week highs. So, I mean, our best bet is to not fight the trend and just look for uptrend. entries. I have no reason to really try to reject anything on ES until we get to the 52-week highs. NQ is getting down towards demand. We got weekly supplies starting at 16,304. So as you can see over here, starts there, goes all the way up to there. Maybe we can get a reject up at that point, but that'd be really the only level I'm watching. My cat's being super annoying. Come here. But after that, 52-week highs, 16,767.5. As far as bounces, we got the demand there. We got demand there. That's it. I don't see anything else. So cool. That's everything on NQ. Let's see. Yeah, we did SPY. Whoops, SPY. Look for that break of 456.38. Uptrend entry, reject 459.44. Look for the double top at 52-week highs. And then same thing. I mean, bounces, don't really see anything that I'd be interested in. So, cool. That's it with SPY. Take a quick look at QQQ, and then we'll run through some individuals, see what we like, what we don't like, and then we'll go from there. So QQQ's in weekly fair value gap, just an area that we want to know about. After that, 400 and then 408.70. Again, really not too interested in bounces. Yeah, I know. Honestly, there's no they don't really do Black Friday sales anymore. Most of them are cap. Most all cap. All right, well, that's everything on QQQ. So let's run through some individuals, see if we see anything that we like. And yeah, let's find some bangers. Apple, don't care about. AMD. This actually looks pretty good. I like how we pulled back. Kind of got like a little flag going on here. Nice little 1 hour squeeze. I would say if the semis can get strong today, I like this AMD for an uptrend entry. Maybe above 112.50. So let's pull the Discord up. All right, so we like AMD. And then, so again, we could possibly watch that. Amazon, that I'm looking for the uptrend entry. That's part of the weekly watch list. Just pretty much, there's no resistance on this thing until like way up here. So maybe look for the uptrend entry in a 150. So that could definitely come into play today, especially if the market is strong. Boeing, that's been strong recently. I mean, I'd prefer a pullback if I were to try this. So skip over that. I put this monitor on my left. So it's like super weird turning to the left because I've always turned to the right. So it's taken definitely some getting used to. Coin, I mean, it's got as long as it holds above this 114.50, it's got a straight shot into 126.62. So maybe, I don't know, maybe an uptrend entry later today, or maybe it comes into play later this week. GLD, I don't know if you guys saw on my Twitter also, they're launching like 0 DTEs for oil, gold, silver, which is super weird. But yeah, those GLD 0 DTEs might be a vibe. IWM, don't care about. And again, if you guys do want this watch list posted up in the chat for free, make sure to run up them likes. Meta, I mean, still consolidating. Really don't care about it. So skip over that. Microsoft, same thing, just consolidating. Netflix. That still has a straight shot into 52-week highs. I'm surprised they haven't tested it yet. So, I mean, maybe if the market got strong, I'd like to see Netflix for that push back into the 485 level. Because again, it's a straight shot there. So maybe some Netflix today. We'll see. Back to the watch list. NVDA. We talked about that one yesterday. I mean, more interested down towards that 450 level. Obviously, quite a ways away. So wait on that. PayPal don't care about. Roku. I just don't know about liquidity on this. I mean, it doesn't look bad for a push back into that 98.44 then 100, but not a... Yeah, it's because you have the free. The free only gives you the green and the red. Shopify, is this new 52-week highs? Yes, indeed it is. So, looks like we cracked that 71.50. Pretty solid break, too. Definitely interested if price can come back down towards 71.60 to 71.40. This Shopify could actually come into play today. And yes, it's the 21 EMA. 21. SPX, we talked about that. Straight shot into 4,600. I'll watch that up there. If it breaks with strength. And then saw a few people talk about Tesla. I don't really think I'm too interested in Tesla. Yeah, I mean, it's just sitting in a range. Personally, not too interested in it. Could break and continue higher, but nothing from me on this. Cool. So as far as individuals, what I'm liking, AMD, Amazon, Netflix, and Shopify. As far as individuals, I think Shopify is definitely going to go on the list today. And I haven't traded that in forever. So as long as there's liquidity, which we are going to go ahead and check. Shopify. Yeah, I mean, it's got decent liquidity in the 73s and 75s. So I'm with it. TTM Squeeze, it's a little expensive. I'll send you my affiliate link if you want to check it out. But it's not needed. It's just something that I personally use. So if you want to get it, it's completely up to you. But here's my affiliate link for the TTM Squeeze. There you go. Awesome. Well, we got 8 minutes until 8:30. Typically, I like to wait until 8:30 to start finalizing levels, just in case. Typically, 8:30 is when we'll get a move in the market. Usually because of news. I don't think we have any today, but I'm going to play it safe. Wait till 8:30. Yeah, new home sales at 10. So in the meantime, any trading questions you guys got? Any stocks I haven't already looked at? Feel free to post them up. Now also, if you guys caught that UNH swing with me, let everybody know in Team Bull that we were swinging this bad boy. Beautiful, beautiful swing. We entered this day right here, caught 50% this day here. If we can hold above 547, straight shot into 550, 554. I mean, US 30, isn't that just the Dow Jones, but futures? Not futures, Forex, my bad. I mean, if you want to trade that instead of Dow or whatever US 30 is, I'm pretty sure. It's completely up to you. It was a sexy swing. Yeah, we just opened the spots yesterday for the Discord, but they sold out. If you were on the wait list, you got the email. UVXY, I personally don't trade that. I mean, you could, but might as well just trade expired QQQ that has liquidity. This I wouldn't touch, or just trade VIX instead of UVXY. Yep, Team Bull's private. It's been private. We just opened up spots for the end of the year. And let's see, let's get this pin. 200 likes for the watch list. Cool. You take a look at Airbnb. I will tell you that, I mean, it's got a nice symmetrical triangle on the lower time frames. So, I mean, if you want to watch that for a breakout to the upside, could just sit here a little longer and consolidate. So, but that's what I would watch. Break above, break below. What time is it? 8:25. 5 more minutes. What other questions we got? Or stocks? HD. Let's see. HD. If you were to reject, it would be at 313.75. That would be the level. Break above that, it's got room. What else? Any other stocks? Trading questions? Asking me about my life, whatever it may be. Also, if you guys haven't already, go tell my boy Nate happy late birthday. It was his birthday yesterday. Pull up ES. Yeah, I like that daily supply too. So that is, let's see, 45.12 all the way up to 45.40. I mean, decent daily demand. Cool. And then inside of that, we have 4 hour. I think we looked at IWM. Yeah, I mean, if I'm going to trade IWM, it would be a reject up at 184.60. Started learning and dabbling around 2017. Started taking it serious in 2019. And then, yeah, it's been a wrap ever since. How's jiu-jitsu been going? Going good. I only went twice last week. I want to try to hit it like 4 or 5 times this week. Stock news, I mean, the only thing I do is type in economic calendar and pull up, what is it, Market Watch? Yeah, Market Watch. I just want to know what we got. I don't really pay too much attention to it. ARKK. Yeah, I do both voice and sometimes I'll post in the text. Especially when people get upset that I don't post in the text, and I'll make sure I post in it and say, there you go. But most of the time it's in voice just because it's a lot easier for me and it allows me to be more focused on my trade instead of trying to, you know, sit there and type everything out, because by the time I type it, you read it and then go enter, you're going to get a completely different entry than me. So that's why I prefer voice. We got 1 more minute. If I miss my first entry, I mean, I'll wait and see if it gives me another entry, but most of the time I will move on. If not, if you miss it, it's probably because you were distracted by something else. Trust me, I've been there, done it hundreds of times. But That's part of trading. My man. That's funny. That's when I was in my my fitness stage. I'll tell you what, that boy Jeremy took me to a whole nother level in fitness. That's for sure. That's crazy that you remember that too. I was like, what? 4 years ago? I think. I was making fitness YouTube videos, had a fitness Instagram, and was cranking all that. Good times. Let's see, 8:30. But for ARC, it looks like it's trying to form an inverse head and shoulder. Shoulder, head, maybe we dip back down and form shoulder number 2. Hey, happy birthday. Happy late birthday. Hey, it's just years of dedication. That's pretty much it. Hitting the gym, jiu-jitsu multiple times throughout the week and following a meal plan. It doesn't look like ES did a whole lot. Cool. Again, make sure you guys are running up them likes if you want this watch list. Let's narrow the list and see what we want. Or what we like and what we don't like. And then we'll go from there. Obviously, SPY QQQ is 100% going to be on the list. But... alrighty. Like AMD for that possible uptrend entry. Yes, they ran a discount last week. I put it in my book Discord. I forgot to put it on my socials. Let's see if they still have it. So I'll drop it in the chat. It was a pretty good discount too. I'm sure it's still up for what is it? Cyber Monday. Yeah, it's still up. Here you go. So if you do want Bookmap, they are running a special right now. What is it? 50% off Global Plus for 3 months. The annual and lifetime are all discounted. So here's that. Boom. I know you guys are loving Bookmap. Especially because ThinkorSwim took it off. But, all right, AMD, I like that. Amazon. I feel like this Amazon might be a little too far at this point. You can watch it for an uptrend entry. I personally like AMD more. I mean, it's really up to you. And how long do you think you're going to use Bookmap? But I personally only use it for futures. So whatever package you think is going to best suit you. Bookmap just shows, I can pull it up for you. Shows where buyers and sellers are on the futures. Come on. Got a bunch of updates. I gotta do this thing. Especially because I trade SPY and QQQ a lot. This is gonna be very helpful. But just shows where buyers and sellers are. It's very, very helpful. I use it every day. But I also got videos on it. If you guys don't know how to use it, just make sure to check out those videos. Cool. Alrighty. I mean, Netflix, it's a weird stock to trade. Hey, welcome to the loyalty members. I appreciate you supporting the channel. Appreciate it big time. And also, if you are a YouTube channel member, make sure you watch the trade recap that I uploaded yesterday. And then also watch the the weekly market update that I posted yesterday for you guys. You guys got access to that. But Netflix looks good. If you want to watch it, you can. I prefer AMD and then Shopify. I like to see that pullback towards 71.50. High risk breakout above 73.50. Would definitely prefer the pullback, but I mean, this thing's got room. That's for sure. Yeah, I mean, 50% retracement. That's way up there. I also added a lot of Shopify to my long-term portfolio. My average is in like the 30s. It's ridiculous. Very nice ad. But alrighty, so AMD, Shopify, those are the two individuals that I want today. So let's get these SPY QQQ levels, and then we'll be on our way. Cool. All right. Again, make sure you guys are running up them likes if you want this watch list. You guys might not get it today. You might only get like half of it, depending on how many likes you get. SPY. Let's see. Watching for a bounce in ES daily demand from 45.39.5 to 45.12.75. Reject at SPY 52-week highs. What was it? What were the 52-week highs? Was it 459.50? 459.44. 459.44. QQQ. Boom. Same thing, we got daily demand, which we did tap there. We got 4-hour demand, which we tested over there. I mean, really, not too much that I'm interested on with QQQ. There's specific levels on watch. I'm not liking anything. That's for QQQ. AMD, looking for an uptrend entry above, I believe it was 122.50. Let's see, AMD. Yep, 122.50. So that looks good. And then Shopify, new 52-week highs. Looking for a bounce from 71.4 to 71.6. Pretty sure those were the levels. You guys ready to make some money today or what? It's Monday, baby. After that little 4-week, or not 4-week, geez, 4-day vacation. I'm ready to rip it today. Cool. Plus, I didn't really use size last week, and I really didn't use too much size the week before. So hopefully we can find something good and I can put some size behind it. Awesome. That's the watch list. Hopefully UNH gives us more today as well. That would be lovely. Everything I am watching today. I just didn't use too much size last week because it was a short week. Market tends to be pretty weird, and then the week before we were just in a really weird spot, so I didn't feel confident enough to put size behind it. Alrighty, so Team Bull, you got the watch list. Channel members, you're about to get the watch list. As far as people that aren't channel members or Discord members, if you guys want this watch list or at least half of it, you got to at least get 150 likes. You get 150, you get half. If you get 200, you get the whole thing. So, ball is in your court now. We got more than 150 people in here. I know you guys can do it. But in the meantime, I'll give you guys like 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes. Any questions you guys got, feel free to post them up in the chat. Or we can sit here and sing a song together. Really up to you. Travis now rotating indexes on together. Yeah. Bookmap's not free on it anymore. We only have like 3 people that are really on the mic throughout the day. And then everybody else is in admin trading floor. It's just mainly me, Grizz, and Jadon. GD will hop on periodically. Yeah, we got a deal. Tell you what, I can't wait to trade on this new monitor. She is crisp. We can look at Target. I don't like this stock personally. I would look for the break of this consolidation that we have. 132.36. I mean, could also be forming like a little ascending triangle right here. Yeah. So look for that break of 132.40. And then look for more. That's personally what I would watch. Yep, as soon as we start showing confirmation at my level of interest, I'm in. I'm not waiting extra candles because by the time you wait for extra candles to close, it could be way too late. What else we got? We're at 118. Looks like you guys might get half today. Of course. Of course. What else we got? What the hell is going on? That was weird. You guys still hear me? My little, whatever that thing is called just popped up. I don't know if you guys saw it pop up at the bottom left. The little black box thing that you could type into on the computer. That's super weird. 25 more likes. You guys can do it. 0DT is just 0 days till expiration. So it expires that day. That was weird. I don't know why that popped up. When you guys hacking me? Huh? We got a hacker in here? I'll find you. Let's see. Shopify. AMD, UNH, Uranium. Cool. I'm personally watching AMD for upside today. Of course, you could be right in it. Thanks. Absolutely. But I just, I like more upside, personally. Yeah, Team Bull opened up yesterday. $14 more, and you guys get half the watch list. I give you guys SPY and Shopify. That's what I'll give you. I mean, sometimes I'll use TradingView to teach, but on a daily basis, no, I don't. And then for back testing, I'll use it. But as far as trading and using it for charts, not really. Nope. So 12 more. You guys are getting close. Yeah, I use ThinkorSwim for everything. Dang. $12 more. Yes, so the only way to join the Discord now is through the priority waitlist. I don't believe we're opening spots again before the end of the year. That also could change very quickly because I don't control that. But if you do want updates on when the Discord opens, because yesterday was the day that it opened up, 100 spots, sold out very quick. There is the wait list right there, and you'll get an email. And of course, I'll be posting stuff on Instagram when we're going to be live again. Yeah, they are running a deal. I mean, it's up to you. Six more. You guys are getting close. Yeah, I spent a decent amount of money over the weekend. It's just tedious waiting for these 5 more. We're getting there. No, again, I don't use any futures brokers. Just ThinkorSwim. There we go. All right, you guys get half the watch list today. But again, in the future, if you guys want the whole watch list, you gotta run it up to 200. So here's my SPY levels. Again, I'm watching ES with SPY. So I'm gonna be watching that. What is this? Oh, that's why that thing popped up. All right, so there's SPY, and then I will give you guys Shopify. Boom. So that's 2 out of the 4 of what I'm watching. Other stocks, QQQ, AMD. But that's going to wrap it up today. As always, make sure you guys tap in every single morning around 8:10 a.m. Eastern time. Come get the watch list. Come watch how I find these levels. That way it helps you guys in the future. And also, if you do want to learn more about my overall day trading strategy, definitely make sure to check out my new book on Amazon, The New Age of Day Trading. You can find it using this link right here. Boom, around 320 pages. So, other than that, everybody have an amazing day. Let's run it up. And yeah, I'll talk to everybody tomorrow. Talk to everybody in Team Bull in about 20 minutes. Peace out, everybody.